meter. So therefore, the radius of this spherical solid is equal to 5.5 meters. So here. So that's all for today. I hope you've learned a lot from this video that tackles about the surface area of a cone and surface area of a sphere.
Hello everyone, I am Shella Pacana, and our next topic is about the surface area of a sphere. We come across with many spherical objects in our daily life, such as football, basketball, fruits, vegetables, and even the planets of our solar system. In other words, all these are called spherical objects. A sphere is a geometrical object in three-dimensional space. Like a circle in a two-dimensional space, a sphere is defined as the set of points that are all at the same distance from the given point of a three-dimensional space. Also, a sphere has curved surface and has no edges and vertices. To find the surface area of a sphere, let us know first the formula of a sphere. SA equals to 4 pi r squared, which 4 and the pi are constant and r stands for radius. I have here an example on how to get the surface area of a sphere. A football measures the radius by 12 centimeters. What is the total surface area of a football? First, let us write the given. Our given is the radius, which measures by 12 centimeters, and we will find the surface area of a football. To solve the surface area of a football, we will use the formula of a surface area of a sphere. So it is 4 pi r squared, and then we will substitute each given values into the variables. 4 times 3.14 times 12 squared. It is 3.14 because the value of pi is equivalent to 3.14, and then the value of r is 12. 4 times 3.14 is equal to 12.56, and 12 squared is equal to 144. 12.56 times 144 is equal to 1,808.64 centimeters squared. Thus, the surface area of a football is equal to 1,808.64 centimeters squared.
Hi, I'm Clydee. In addition for Shella's discussion, I'm going to give another example on how to solve the surface area of a sphere. But before that, let me briefly discuss the difference between circle and sphere. For most people, the word circle and sphere creates a lot of confusion in understanding them. Though they both seem to be similar, but in reality they have a vast difference. Circle is a two-dimensional figure. Two-dimensional figure means is a shape with two dimensions such as height and width. Whereas a sphere is a three-dimensional object. Three-dimensional object means a shape with three dimensions such as height, width, and depth. Although a real-world example of a circle is not existent, as there's no zero-width object in reality, some objects that can be used to describe it, such as wheels, coins, and CDs. Examples of a sphere are easier to find, such as planets, tennis balls, and an apple. A sphere is a solid in which all the points on the round surface are equidistant. Equidistant means same distance from from a fixed point from the center to the surface. Like a circle, the distance from the center to the center of a sphere to the surface is known as the radius. So this is the surface of the sphere, the center, the radius. So now let's have this example on how to get the surface area of a sphere. Solution. The only given in this problem is the radius, which is 10 centimeter. So surface area of a sphere is given by the formula 4 pi r squared, which is 4 times 3.14, the value of pi, times 10 times 10, which is the radius 10 centimeter. SA of a sphere is equal to 1,256 centimeters squared. So 4 times 3.14 times 10 times 10 is 1,256 centimeter squared. So let's have this another example where the only given is the surface area of a sphere. We need to get the value of the radius. So solution. The only given is the surface area, which is 379.94 meters squared. So SA formula is equal to 4 pi r squared. SA value is 379.94 is equal to copy 4 pi r squared, copy 379.94 is equal to 4 times 3.14 times r squared. 3.14 the value of r, the value of pi rather. So 3.7 copy 3.79.94 is equal to 4 times 3.14 is equal to 12.56 r squared. So we need to divide both sides by 12.56 so that in this side the r squared will remain. So cancel. 379.94 divided 12.56 is equal to 30.25 r squared. 30.25 is equal to r squared. To cancel out this exponent, we need to square root 30.25 and also this r squared. So cancel to remain the radius. So 30.25, the square root of 0.25 is 5